Racism, this term, this idea. Let's talk about it. So, once again, let's start from Wikipedia. Synonymous to racialism, which is just that but in a simpler definition. Anyways, racism is the belief that groups of humans can be divided based on the superiority or literally just the slightest difference if I were to sum it up myself. Why am I saying that? Well, from the top of my head, there's what we call general discrimination, which is due to age, skin color, language, disability. Socially, we can find vegophobia, transphobia, supremacism, anti-autism. Just imagine whatever, it probably exists. Well, as a human species, we are biologically wired to fear the unknown. The difference in opinions or racial characteristics is just the unknown but on steroids. Also know that usually, fear is an irrational response that is unproportionate to reality. Now what? We seem to be civilized enough to wear suits, to drive cars, we can even make medicine, treat the weak, who, if born in a previous era, for example, they would have just died. The corona thing just now would have wiped out a lot more people if you were living in the 90s, for example. And that's just around the corner. So where is the problem exactly, you may ask? The civilization entered our lives, but we are not civilized. Imagine a monkey with a suit. That's what we are. Most of us. Will he really change his behavior? Surely not. Humans are literally just discovering the possibilities technology, knowledge and freedom of experience can offer to our lives. And to the next generations, if we make it that far. Most people nowadays still operate from emotions and carnal urges. But let's not get too existential here. Racism. Okay. Countries across the globe act as if such term does not exist, as if everything's fine, but it's not. My opinion is, I say the term in itself is nonsensical, as it is well past its time. We're in 2020, but we can't really change people who are fed on such supremacist beliefs that they are right and everyone else is wrong. Mankind always seems to miss out the bigger picture. Don't forget, you were born on a huge rock in a vast vacuum of matter and nothingness. We legitimately don't know why we are here. That should put things into perspective. Think about it. Imagine tomorrow, literally tomorrow, we're attacked by aliens from some random planet. And my bet is, they'll surely see us as the same. So why? We're basically the same race. On a universal scale, we are. Anyways, I hope this subject had received enough lights directed to it that it just evaporates from the heat. That's just a silly thought. I hope this did bring you value, and I do wish that it made you think, even if it's just for a bit. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.